Hi everybody, in this video I would like to show you how to set up a guest network on your TP-LINK router using a Tether app provided by TP-LINK. First thing you need to do is to open a Play Store and install the Tether app and open it on your smartphone. Click on your router name. Then click on the tools. Then tap on the guest network. And guest network is a useful feature when you want to allow, for example, your guests to access the Wi-Fi network and the internet connection, but you don't want to tell them your Wi-Fi password for the encrypted Wi-Fi network. So you can activate the guest network for 2 hours and then deactivate it, and your guests or friends will not have your Wi-Fi password. Switch this to activate it. Okay. It's a summary screen. Click X to close it. And okay, now you will have your guest network active and everybody can access it. But it's a completely separate network from your home network with a password. If you like this video, give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel.